Hi, I'm Bobby, and that's me a few minutes before starting my new adventure. And that's me after all the train were cancelled and I had to do 12 hours of hitchhiking to catch my flight. Yes, I arrived. Time to get my mandatory overpriced sandwich. Oui and goodbye to you sir. No? Time to wait for my next flight. The joy is real. Oh, that is it, just like London again. This is a bit creepy. Let's go for the next flight. Socks. Dobby is free. Yup. Last 1 hour train ride to my hotel.
Finally arrived at my destination. Oh, it was exhausting. For the people that don't follow me on Instagram, so I was in Scotland up until 2 days ago. And I was supposed to take the train on the 10th of October at 12:34. And I knew there was a strike because I sent you an email saying there was going to be a strike on the 1st and on the 8th of October. So I was like, great, you know, it's not on the 10th when I have to take. And guess what? Guess what? I went to the train station in Wick and the train was actually cancelled. Like all the train in Scotland was cancelled. And I had to take a plane on the 11th at 8 a.m. in Edinburgh. So I had to hitchhike. And I don't know how I did it, but I did it. Now I just arrived to my destination finally. I will not go take a nap because I need to be able to sleep tonight, to not suffer too much. Tonight I'm going to go to the night market and just eat at my mind because I'm so starving. And that's gonna be my first day in Thailand, in Bangkok. See you there! Actually, I'm already back because who am I kidding? I'm so exhausted. So now I'm just gonna go to sleep. It's 8 p.m. Hopefully I'm gonna sleep until 8 a.m. Have a good night. See you tomorrow.